Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
Okay, so today we'll be looking at graphical solutions to quadratic equations. Now, I have a question here: y equals x squared negative 6x plus 8. Now, there are two ways you want to graph a quadratic function. Now, generally, especially for YH students, they always give you values for x. It makes it really easier when you have values for x. You enter the value for x for every case so that you get a corresponding coordinate. That's the value for y. Once you're giving value of x, say from x1, let's say from -1 to 5, and stuff like that, it's easier for you. You can enter the values for x here, enter them, then you get your corresponding value for y. But what we're doing today is when you're not giving values for x, you're not giving values for x and you're asked to graph a quadratic function. Now this is what you want to do. There are two ways you want to do. You want to convert this to vertex form. Then you get your vertex. From there you build your points. Or you want to use the minus b over 2a to get your x coordinate. So we're going to look at the two. Now we have using the minus b over 2a, we have negative b over 2a is our x coordinate. For our vertex, the x, we have what? X and the y. These are our x coordinates for our vertex. Once we get this, we plug it into this equation to get the value for y. So this is the easier way. If you don't want to go through the vertex form, this is the easier way to get this. So now, what's our b? Our b is what? Negative 6. So we have negative 6 over 2. Our a is what? 1. So this gives us what? 6 over 2, which is equal to 3. Now, the x coordinate of our vertex is what? 3. And this 3 is the what? The line of symmetry. Let me write it here. Line of symmetry. I hope I got this better. The line of symmetry. That is the x coordinate. The x coordinate is the line of symmetry. While the y coordinate gives us the maximum and minimum value. But since this place is positive, since the quadratic term is positive, our graph will be going what? Will be going downwards. So we are looking at the what? The minimum value. But if it were negative, we'll be looking at the what? The maximum value. So in this case, now that we have x equal 3, we plug it back here to get the y coordinates. So we're going to do that. We're going to write it again. Let me write this now. Y equals x squared negative 6x plus 8. Y equals what? What do we have? X is 3. 3 squared negative 6, 3 plus 8. This is what? 9 negative 18 plus 8. So this is what? 9 negative 10. Then this is what? Negative 1. So our y coordinate is what? Negative 1. So this is what we have. We can use this to generate everything we need. So this is what we need to generate our points. Are you with me? So any question? Any question?
So here's our A.
Okay, our A, if you don't see any value here, our A will be what? 1. But when there is a value like 2, 3, 4, your A, you take those values. Any generic value you have here will be our A. Because the standard quadratic equation is in terms of ax squared, in terms of ax squared plus bx plus c. So whatever the coefficient of x squared is your A. But in this case, our A is what? 1. So once you say other than 1, you take it as your A. So your A is 1 in this case. That's why I put 1 here. Well, alright, so I would want to use the vertex approach. Vertex, since we have 3, 1, we know that this y coordinate is for our maximum or minimum. Maximum or minimum. So that's what we use our y coordinate. That's what it tells us. Why this one tells us the line of symmetry. It's also the line of asymptotes. But for this your page, you can use the line of symmetry. So let's use the vertex form. Using the vertex form. So let's roll. This is what you do if you want to use the vertex form. we are going to factor write it as this x squared equals to this y equals x squared negative 6x plus 8. Now, you write your y equals x squared. Since you have any number here, negative 6x, keep a space. You add your positive 8, just like you're doing computing the square. Then, the next thing you're going to do is, what is half of this value? 3. You're going to add it for your squaring it. So what we did add here? We added 9. We added 9 here, we're going to subtract 9. So we added 3 squared, we're going to remove 9. So what we have now is what? X, this sign, negative, then we have 3 here. All squared. These two are squared, so we're taking there. Then 8 minus 9 is what? Negative 1. Hence, this is in terms of, the vertex is in this term. A open bracket, x minus h all squared plus k. Now, where our vertex is our what? H comma k. Whatever the sign is, you reverse it. It will give you the. So if we have here negative 3, our k will be what? 3. If this were the case, 7, our h will be what? Positive 7. If it were positive here, positive 8, our h will be what? Negative 8. So in this case, we have what? Negative 3. So this is what we have. If you set it equal to this, a is what? 1. Our h is what? 3. Then our k stays the same way, negative 1. So the same thing, we got our vertex at what? 3, negative 1. Remember, this k does not change. You only change the sign here. The k does not change, you only change the sign here. So we can use the vertex or the other formula minus q over 2k. So this is your line of symmetry, and this is your maximum or minimum depending on the graph. But with what we have here, we are going to have the minimum value because the graph is going downwards. It's going to open up in a U form. So we have a minimum value here. And line of symmetry is straight. Yeah, this is the vertex form. Vertex. Vertex form. So you can use a vertex form if you want to build your quadratic equation. So from here we can build our points.